So what's up, guys? In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make money even when the market is crashing, even when the crypto market is crashing. So this video is for, you heard me right, this video is for two people, for two sets of people. First, the people that are scared of losing their money in the crypto market, so losing money due to a crash. So you can actually take advantage of a crash, and you will learn that in this video. Watch till the end. For the second set of people are traders, people that want to really trade but don't have the time to trade. This video is for you. This video is a perfect alternative to trading, and you can do it without stress. Whatever you do, you could just go around your daily business and you can do this. All right. Now the video is going to be in three parts. First, I'm going to introduce you to how you are going to go about this. Secondly, I'm going to show you how it works. Then thirdly, I'm going to show you where you can get the tokens from. All right, so let's get into the video. So first, I'm going to be showing you is that I'll be showing you the tokens. They are called leverage tokens. So leverage tokens are in two ways. For example, let me show you. Leverage token is simply like leverage. They call it leverage in trading. So you want to increase your leverage. You want to make more money as you predict the market trend. So let's say you think the market is going up. You now predict that the market is going up. You buy a token that is a bull. So let me just use an example. Let's say bull, because they have Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin bull. It's one of the leverage tokens. So you buy a Bitcoin bull. As you buy a Bitcoin bull, as the market is going up, your money begins to increase. It begins to increase. Normally, that's how it works. If the market is going up, everything increases. But leverage tokens have leverage, so they increase in a ×3 fashion. So leverage tokens are only ×3 leverage. They are not ×5, ×10, ×20, ×50, ×100, ×150, or ×1000 like in regular trading. They give you the minimal risk of trading, so it increases ×3. It gives you the ×3 leverage. Also, if you feel the market is going down, Bitcoin is going to drop, so you decide to buy a Bitcoin bear token, a Bitcoin leverage bear token. So you can see Bitcoin leverage bear token here. So as the market drops, you begin to make money. You understand? So you begin to make money. That is exactly how this works. Exactly how leverage tokens work. So, and how many leverage tokens are there? As many as possible, actually. I think as many as possible. So you can see a list here. All this right here is a list of leverage tokens. As you can see right here, this is a list of leverage tokens. So those are just them. Sorry about that. Those are a list of leverage tokens. So how do these now work? So I've explained to you. What you need to know, the disclaimer here you need to know is that if you say the market is going up and it begins to come down, say you bought a bull, you begin to lose money. But you won't lose money that bad compared to when you use risky trading. If you say the market is going down and the market begins to go up, you begin to lose money. But it's not that bad, it's minimal compared to, let's say you just wake up in the morning and the market does a terrible crash. And that's messed up. You lose a lot of money. You lose a lot of your money. So in this case, it minimizes your risk. All right. So let me now show you the various types of tokens. And I want to point out something to you that you should notice. For example, let me show you Doge Bull. So the Doge coin on its own has never gotten up to $1 till today. But you can see that the price of Doge Bull right now is $1, $1.2, $1.238, right? Now let me show you the all-time high of the Doge Bull. As you can see here, the all-time high of the Doge Bull is actually, do you see this? Okay, let me take that back. Let me get the arrow. Do you see this? The all-time high of the Doge Bull is $225,000. So let's say, for example, I just have one Doge Bull. I have made more money than having a Dogecoin. Let that sink in. So this is how leverage tokens work. But you should also know that the moment Doge begins to drop, let's say I had $225,000, then my money begins to drop from that point. That's the risk with leverage. Then let's say the market started dropping and I decided to now buy a Dodge beer leverage token. So this is it. Okay, Dodge beer. Sorry, I don't want your chart. I just want the price. Sorry. Okay, Dodge beer token. Let's see. I'm having my network issues here. I don't know why this is showing me. Sorry, just give me minutes. Let me leave the Dodge beer token. Sorry about that. Let's go back. Okay, let me skip the Dodge beer token. Let me go and show you something like Ethereum. Ethereum beer token. So this is the Ethereum beer token, and let me see the all-time high. The all-time high of this token is $93, and you can see right now the token costs $0.000007. Like it's less than $1. So if the market begins to crash, you make more money with this token. You understand? And that's what you need to know. That's the thing with leverage tokens. You can go both ways. You could say, okay, you know what? Let me put in money this way, and let me put in money this way. So either way, if the market crashes really bad, I make money. If the market goes really high, I make money. I just want to put a disclaimer that this is for educational purpose, and you should do your research before you buy or invest in any token. This is basically pure education, and I'm not promoting any app on this video. I'm just doing everything for educational purpose. Nobody's paying me for any promotion or anything, so anything you see me do here is of my own accord. All right, so let me now show you how you are going to be able to purchase these tokens. And if you notice all these logos, you will see that you see that there's an F right there. So the app you are going to use to buy these tokens is FTX, but be sure you search FTX Pro. It's the FTX Pro that you're supposed to use to buy these tokens. FTX Pro. All right, so you enter and open. I have it installed, obviously, so that's why it shows open. So there is I have my registration link in the description, so that's the only way you can support me. So use my link to download the FTX Pro. Now, why am I using FTX Pro? It's not because I'm not saying Binance also has their own leverage tokens, but the thing is FTX Pro has the widest range of tokens, like to even meme coins. It has even meme coins leverage tokens. So that's why I'm using FTX Pro. So you will notice that when you come into FTX Pro, you still leverage tokens here. The only issue you have with FTX is your KYC. It's them verifying your KYC. They have a very sluggish way of verifying KYC. I don't even have my own KYC. I don't even have my own. This is my account right now, and I don't even have my account verified yet. That's how bad it is. Like I've been struggling for a very long time now just to verify it. My friends helped me out to get tokens, so till my own account works before I can do anything. So it's kind of messed up. So you have to also notice that their money is in USD and USDT. So USDT is Theta and USD is normal dollar. So you would probably want to deposit in USDT, or if you have USD, you could deposit in USD. So it depends on what is available to you, the most convenient way for you to deposit money. You could just click on wallet and click on deposit, and that's all. So but I'm just trying to show you the tokens here. So let me show you something. So let me just click on Bitcoin beer, and I'll click on the USDT option. So come on, why is it slow? All right, so I want you to notice that the price is 0.00. So let's say you see that price is below $1, way below $1. So let's say I just put in $1 here. Say I put in $1. I put in just $1 here. you can see how many of this token I am getting. 7,000 of the token. So imagine if the crypto market begins to drop. So that means I'll make a lot of money right here. So I think at this point, so don't forget to subscribe, please. If you like what you're hearing, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. At this point, I'm done with this video. So this is just basically it. So you purchase it, and just look, I've still not verified in this particular account. It's messed up. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. It's really going to help me. Thank you.